blooms. Come and sing along. We've got stories, we've got smiles, and a happy little song. My name is Bunga, I'm your friend, come play with me. We'll laugh and learn along the way, and see what flowers bloom today. Sometimes we'll help, sometimes we'll share, sometimes we'll show how much we care. Sometimes things don't go our way, but we'll keep on growing every day. Like little flowers reaching high, stretching up toward the sky. Every adventure starts right now. Come on, friends, let's find out how. Big smiles, bright days, learning in a million ways. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Every day's a brand new treat. Hey!
Hello, little blooms! Today, Miss Bunga is going on a special adventure. We are going to visit a beautiful place in nature. Can you guess where we are going? We are going to a waterfall. Are you ready? Let's explore together. Wow, it's beautiful here. Wait, listen carefully. Can you hear that sound? Look, little blooms. This is a waterfall. A waterfall is the water that falls down from a high place. The water is cool and fresh. Can you make the sound of a waterfall? Shh! Amazing! Look at the ground near the waterfall. Oh, what is this? It is a rock. Rocks are hard and strong. We can find many rocks near rivers and waterfalls. Can you pretend to be a strong rock? Stand still like a rock. Haha, great job! I see something colorful. Let's look closer. It is a butterfly. A butterfly is a small insect with beautiful wings. It flies from flower to flower. Can you flap your arms like a butterfly? Wonderful! Oh, look down here. Something tiny is moving. It is a ladybug. A ladybug is a small insect. It has a round body and little spots on its wings. Can you guess the color? Yes, it is red. Good job, little bloom. Look beside the rock. I found another little friend. It is a snail. A snail is a small animal with a shell on its back. It moves very slowly. Can you move slowly like a snail? Slowly. Excellent! Wow, it's such a long day. Now, let's remember our waterfall adventure today. We saw a waterfall, a rock, a butterfly, a ladybug, and a snail. Nature is amazing, little blooms. But remember, we must protect nature. Do not throw rubbish. Be gentle with insects. Keep the nature clean and beautiful. Wonderful exploring today! Thank you for joining Miss Bunga on this waterfall adventure. I wonder, where will Miss Bunga explore next time? We will come back and find out. Until then, keep blooming, little friend. See you next time.